What number is this? This is number 58. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Damn. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Look at them, oh. This is number 64. This is number 64.
How you know?
Nandun, oh, nakalagay yan, ah.
Ito na tayo sa may banyo.
Ito yung washroom. Oh, that's the washroom.
So that you can poop there.
Oh, Daddy can
Daddy
poop.
can poop there.
And this is the number
Malapit pala
68.
sa ano, no? Malapit pala sa bagay lang. Ako lang.
Mhm.
70, mommy. 70, mommy.
70.
Ito na tayo. So, ito ang 71. Ito na tayo. Yay! We are here. Reverse mo.
I want to go to the houses.
Hindi, ikaw ang mag-ano.
Let's get